So this is my 15th annual scientific assembly through East. My first one was back in 2009. It was at Beach Club. I was young, inexperienced, didn't know what I was doing. I knew hardly anybody. But it was the first step on a long journey that's really fulfilled my career. So 15 years later, now I haven't missed one. I continue to plan to continue to keep coming. It really is a great uh, time to network, reach out to old friends, make new friends, really to jumpstart the next part of your career, wherever that part of your career may be. For me, it's mid-career to getting to be a little bit older, and I'm really excited about those opportunities and talking with the people that I know here about what that can entail. I always recommend the East to others. I'm getting people that I work with more engaged with East and trying to get actually all of my surgeons to be members of East eventually. It's such a wonderful organization, particularly for the younger trauma surgeons. But even at my stage of career and older, it provides so many benefits that I want people to take care of, to partake in.